Hello, everybody. How are you today? Good? Nice. I am wonderful. Even 2, 3. Today we have an experiment to do. It is a very, very nice and fun experiment. Okay? You need a bowl full of water. Then you are going to throw the objects and then you're going to see if the objects float or sink. Float or sink. Float is when it stays up in the water. Sink is when the object goes down in the bottom of your bowl, okay? So you're going to throw a pencil, a clip, coin, shelf, stickers, rock, okay? You have all of them here. If you don't have these objects, that's okay. Pick something else. Use your imagination. If it floats, you are going to make a check with green pencil. If it doesn't float, it sinks. You're going to make an X with red pencil, okay? If you do this experiment, take a picture, send it to me. I want to see because I love this experiment. I have so much fun every time I play with this. Okay? So, do this experiment and then show it to me later what it float and what it sink. Okie dokie. Bye bye. See you later.